Good morning everybody. In this video I'll show you how to fix laptop charger cable and plug. Be show you with you from Egypt. As you see in the computer charger, you can see when the wire movement stops charging like this. Laptop charger problem are multiply, but the most common problem are cable and plug. Before the beginning of the explanation, please click the subscribe button to receive all new videos. Firstly, put a few drops of toners to facilitate the removal of the charger casing and wait around 3 minutes. Secondly, remove the charger cover softly and slowly, like this way. The cover will open easily like this. Please gently remove the protection paper. Third, remove the weld for the old charger wire. Fourthly, buy a new charger wire cable. Then make sure the parts are installed in the right direction. Using a soldering iron and tin to fix both ends of the wire in the electronic circuit. Finally, reinstall the security paper around the electronic board. Replace the charger casing in the right direction. You can use a quick welding to reconnect the plastic wrap. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and make like and share, please, if this video important for you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.